Decorating helps you be creative. It can give you a creative outlet, a hobby, something to do and practice when you have free time. Expressing yourself through your home is no different than expressing yourself through art. Think of your home as your canvas and you are the artist. Home decorating allows you to create a space that supports your lifestyle. Whether you like to entertain a lot, read books, practice yoga, or cook, decorating gives you the tools you need to create spaces around your lifestyle choices. You literally have the power to make your space how you want. Your space is your space, and decorating gives you the ability to design spaces around your lifestyle and what works the best for you and your family. Regarding items you can use to decorate your home or office, there are several wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces for you to choose from. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When you have decorated your space for you, it can bring you so much peace and calm. Which is what we all really want for our spaces. When our spaces reflect our personalities, they are easy to clean and tidy up, and are functional for your lifestyle. You may never want to leave. Wood has excellent example and lines. It is commonly wonderful as of now. It clarifies why the completing is made to demonstrate the excellence too. It's pleasant. Wood strength will be dependable even on high obligations. It implies you needn't bother with substitution soon. In all seasons, wood furniture will be okay. On the off chance that you have open-air wood furniture, you don't need to put it on capacity. Being pleasant and magnificent commonly, your wooden furniture will make decent central focuses and decor where everyone's eyes will take a gander at. It has valid and obsolescent style. You can change wood furniture whenever you need it. You can likewise put it inside or outside the house or building. It will simply fit the space and look extraordinary constantly. Making your own furniture is a great way to learn new skills and enjoy your hard work in a new and exciting way. You can start with making something small or go for the gold by building a large item for your home or office. It's a rewarding feeling to be able to make your own furniture pieces. Each DIY furniture idea comes with its own challenge and gives you the tips and ideas to make your own handcrafted furniture. It's a rewarding experience and you will be able to save so much money. When you go into a fancy furniture store, you will find all kinds of pieces that are insanely expensive, but that you could replicate yourself for just a fraction of the cost. When doing your woodworking project, always measure 2 or 3 times before cutting. You will hear many older carpenters say the phrase measure twice, cut once, and it's for good reason. They are speaking from experience, because if you only measure 1 time, you can bet that it's probably not going to be accurate. Double checking yourself is key. Your project doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay to have imperfections along the way, especially when you are learning and starting out. Even pros mess up from time to time, and you need to embrace those mistakes and accept them. Don't be too hard on yourself. The amount of things that you can create from old items is probably impossible to determine, but there are several designs that can give you ideas about reclaimed wood DIY projects that might interest you. You are going to have a chance to get inspired by ideas that can bring your home new decorations or furniture, as well as other creative items that will certainly catch the attention of anyone that goes past them. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.